Sneak preview. This is a day in the life right now. Just a sneak preview of what it's like while working a 9 to 5 job and doing YouTube. So behind me right there is my computer where I basically do my YouTube stuff. You can see my mic here and so forth. And basically my setup. Let me get a little bit closer. And you have my camera right here, which I will soon turn on. And this is my work PC, which my 9 to 5 job. And this is another computer, which I currently have my script to record this video, which I'm about to release right now. Yeah. And I just want to say, guys, that this is what it's like working a 9 to 5 job, doing YouTube on the side. And I just want to take the time to give you a sneak preview what it is like. Now, let's jump into the video which I'm about to share with you. All right, guys, so you just saw a sneak preview of what it is like in the middle of the day, me working my 9 to 5 job, my work PC right here, my personal, let's say, ideation computer or computer where I work on my script. And behind me over there, you saw my setup, which I have my screen, which I do my YouTube stuff. You saw my mic and another computer, which I do my screen recording. So that's my YouTube setup over there, while this space over here is where I just come sit and just focus entirely on recording these kind of videos for you. And of course, keep an eye on my work, my 9 to 5 job computer, just in case anyone writing me or need to jump into anything urgent. So that was just a sneak preview. But anyways, the purpose of this video is to share with you what I do when I sit down to work on YouTube. You see, guys, a lot of people want to start but don't know exactly what to do when they sit around their computer and ready to work on their YouTube business. And so in this video, I just want to share with you simply what I do and my process of doing that. What's the mindset behind my actions when I sit around my computer? You see, when I sit around my computer to work on YouTube, I don't really spend a lot of time thinking. And if I do, it's just to decide here and there what I want to do or if I should do this or that. But nothing complicated, no deep thinking. I already know the basis, what I'm going to do. And what I mean by that is I already know if I'm going to record some videos or I'm going to plan something, my next strategy, tools that I'm going to basically record on next, or if I'm going to do some keyword research, or if I'm going to edit some videos. I basically know if I'm going to plan, if I'm going to record, or I'm just going to edit some videos, or just check my analytics and just see what's going on. I already know. And so by knowing this, it helps me to keep things simple, keep me focused, and just get straight to the point what I wanted to do when I sit around my computer. So you can see right there, by me approaching things like this, it helps me to keep things simple and I don't overcomplicate it. I don't try to do anything complicated. I already have an idea what I'm going to do and I just get started from that idea. And I'm not going to say that all the time I stick with this idea of just recording, planning, or editing. There are times when other thoughts or things derive from it, but it's always along the line of that main idea, that main goal. All right, get this done first, and then whatever comes to mind, I kind of take it forward. The idea really is not to complicate things, but to keep things moving forward in the direction that I want. So I don't complicate things. The goal is to make progress, not complicate it, and just move things forward. Whether that's by recording, whether that's by editing a few videos, post them or schedule them for the next couple of days, or just by doing some research, whether it's by finding some videos that I want to record or doing some keyword research or whatever it is. Maybe check my analytics, check my top 50 videos to see what's doing well, and maybe record a couple more related videos around the same topic. So it all depends on the main idea of what I wanted to do, and that's where I move forward, or that's the direction that I take when I sit down to actually work. So guys, I say this to say that the goal for me today while working my 9 to 5 job here is I wanted to find the space and the time to record at least one simple video for you guys. While of course I've already done a few things during the morning sessions while juggling both work on my YouTube channel. But this moment I said to myself, I want to find the space during my day to record one video to share with you guys. And this was the exact moment while working during my day. That was the moment. This is the moment where I found to record it. But the takeaway from this video is this. If you're starting out on YouTube and you're not sure what to do during the day, during your time, try your best not to overthink and try to do everything. Try to keep it simple and focus on doing one task, one thing at a time. Once you try this approach, I can promise you that you will get ahead. If you set the goal during your day that I'm going to do this and you're going through your day, once you find that space, you're going to ensure that you accomplish this one thing. And that one thing, if you manage to do it, you're actually in motion. You're actually making progress and you are definitely getting ahead. So guys, I just want to take this quick time out of my day to record this video. I really hope you found value here within this video. And if you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And of course, guys, if you're new to my channel, I'm Andrew. Really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. And now, guys, I'm going to focus back on my 9-to-5 job. And hopefully tomorrow, I'll get a chance to squeeze in another video and yeah, get to work on my YouTube business while I juggle both. So thank you guys for watching and I'm looking forward to see you in my next video.